So we start out today's video with this acrylic chair DIY. Now for this particular project, you are going to need some plexiglass as well as a heat gun. Now I think that this is a really cool concept. You can do any kind of shape or design that you choose. I really like the design that she ended up doing here. Very cool and modern. Very nice. And as long as you have the tools, I think this could actually be a pretty fun project to try out. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And on this channel, we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So this next one features some pool noodles. It looks like they might be making a headboard. Very interesting choice of fabric. Looks like a silver colored velvet material. Oh, wow. Not sure how I feel about this color. I love the concept. I've seen the pool noodles being done many times with the headboard design, but the color, not sure how I feel about that. So then we have an action-inspired DIY tray. You can find these same pieces at Target. I've seen them. They have the matte black plates and the bowl. Very easy, beginner-friendly project. Very cool, like table tray. You can decorate it, change it out seasonally. Okay, so we have some mirrors here. Looks like there's a chain holding these two pieces together. Taking the label off. You can also remove labels by using a heat gun or a blow dryer. That's going to give you a clean process in doing the removal of the sticker. Now I'm not sure what that is that they added on the side. It looks like a sticky material. I think they might be making a vase here. Oh yeah, so they did end up using that as a vase. Very cool idea. You could also just take two round mirrors that you get from like the dollar store and glue them to some type of jar and then do a vase that way as well. Oh my god, I could never make a headboard. Okay, so we have another headboard DIY. Oh, wow. So I'm assuming this is just woodwork and velvet. That's really cool. Now, if you know how to work with wood, that would actually be a really easy DIY to try out. So the next DIY is going to feature this photo frame. Oh, I think I know where they're going with this. We've seen a similar DIY, I think a couple of weeks ago. It's like a key ring hack or whatever. You can put your keys there, key holder. I think the other one that we saw, they spray painted it though. But this is nice, the little exposed wood color. Nice and simple. You could also put, oh, I think before the other person put like a picture in the frame and then added the little hanging pieces. And then here is a DIY by Miguel. Looks like he's using the little ball pit balls for this one. Going in with some paints. Oh, I like this color he's using. That is really pretty. Oh, is he making a mirror design? Oh. Wow, that is nice. Wow, that is so cool. I really like that color. It's like a really pretty caramel. And then we have another action candle DIY. So a lot of these items you can find at IKEA as well as the dollar store. Check out your local Walmart. So they're doing like the stone spray. Oh, this is nice. I thought they were just gonna do like the floating candles floating inside, but they actually did like candle wax inside of here. Wow, that is really pretty. All right, back at action for another DIY. Let's see what they can come up with. So they have some black baskets here. Hopefully they are not going to spray paint this because I love this color. Alright, so they're gluing them together. This would actually make for a nice little side table. And you don't have to worry about painting them because like I said, I already like the color, the matte black. Okay, so they're putting the greenery in here, so I guess this is some type of planter. Wow. I cannot look at a planner the same way after watching some of these videos. Like every time I see a planner, I just think side table. Is that just me, or, you know, does anyone else feel the same way? Like I cannot look at a planner the same way. Come with me to make my headboard. So we got another headboard DIY. Oh, she's using pool noodles too. She used all the same. Now you don't have to get the same color because obviously you're gonna cover this up. But she got the same color. Looks like she split it in half. Okay, she's playing around with the shape here with the cardboard. Glue gun. She looks tired. Oh, she used sharing for hers. Oh. I think she should have lowered that a little bit to make it look... Okay, there we go. Well, that's nice. It looks so nice and cozy and comfortable. Very cute. DIY ring light. So we have another pool noodle. Oh, they have puck lights at the dollar store? I didn't know that. Huh. Okay, so let's see how they end up doing this. That's pretty cool to make your own. Ring lights are expensive. So she uses a paper towel holder as like a stand. Okay, she's just gonna put the lights on there. Now you could spray paint that ring to make it look a little bit more aesthetic, as well as the paper towel holder. Just take the time and spray paint it black. That would have looked so much more aesthetic and not so like DIY-ish. But I guess she doesn't care. I guess she just wanted, you know, she just wanted that light. But for me, I like stuff to look aesthetic and good. Louis Vuitton wall decor from Dollar Tree. Ooh, okay. So this one involves printing. That is some really pretty paper. Oh, so she's just cutting that out. Okay. Okay, we didn't get to see the end result, but I mean, I like the idea. And then we have someone doing a makeup holder here. Now, this already came from the dollar store. I've never seen anything like this at Dollar Tree, at least at mine. Wow, that thing can hold a lot of tools. Now, once again, you could spray paint this and make it more aesthetic, like you did like a nice pink. Oh, okay, they're adding jewels. The little rhinestones. Oh, that's cute. I like this idea because you could buy it and then customize it and make it your own. Very easy, simple DIY. And look how many brushes that holds. Wow. So this one features the knockoff Jenga pieces. Oh, they're staining it with coffee. I was like, what are they doing? Okay, that coffee stain didn't really do much to me. Do you guys notice a difference? But it looks like they're making some type of decorative vase. I mean, I guess it gave it a slight little hint of something. Now this is definitely an easy project, very beginner friendly. Oh, that's cute. They put a little plant in there. That's nice. And then there's one with flowers and a candle holder. Okay, that is way too tall. You have to reach way down there and put the candle holder there with the tea light. Okay, that looks better. That's cute. Alright, so here's, okay, so we're gonna have a mirror design here. Like a Bohemian style mirror. This is another like easy beginner friendly project. Oh, very nice. It actually has a little bit of a glam feel to it. DIY dollar store storage. Oh, this is for their coffee. Okay, now this is a cute idea, but if you're gonna buy all these containers, like if they're sold separately, you might as well just buy like a storage thing. Just saying. Unless you wanna be crafty and make your own. This is cute though. You put your little KPods in there, and there's little drawers for the sugar. Oh, that's cute. Sometimes, honestly, though, you do have to make your own like storage items because you can't find what you want. So this could be a really cool idea. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.